have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down.
No.
So what do you think of this place, baby?
This one's good. It's pretty quiet. There's an amazing view right down there. There's nobody around us. A little difficult to get to. Not just anybody can pull their truck or trailer back here. It's a little eerie with the bones around us. I'm not quite sure what animal that is, but the boys are having fun with it.
And all of them are broke.
Yeah. So what about last night?
Got to see the Milky Way again.
My baby.
Got some awesome shots.
Oh, yeah.
Can't beat it. Boom! Almost lost an egg.
Time to eat, Mama?
Yeah, we're having
All right.
hot chocolate too.
Yep, your hot chocolate's ready. It's just cooling down.
Mmm. That's good.
Hey, Mama,
What are you making, Luke?
a teepee.
A TP for the fire?
Yeah.
Cool, buddy. Alright, y'all, let's check out what we got in the fridge. Today is what, Tuesday? And we left Thursday. So we got a dual zone 75 Dometic. And we got one side as a freezer and one as a refrigerator. So let's take a look inside. Alright, so the first side here is a smaller side. And we have basically freezer meals. So they're all prepped, cut, ready to go. So those are nice. We can just pick those, pull those out, thaw them out during the day. And then dinner, just throw it in a pan and you're good to go. Over here is just the miscellaneous cheese and hummus and eggs and cut up peppers and some blueberries and some almond butter and ketchup and salsa and just kind of all the fixings. And so as you can see, we got quite a bit of food. We got quite a bit of food still. And it's Tuesday. We left Thursday. So yeah, it's just beautiful. It's the weather is absolutely perfect up here. It was a little windy when we got here yesterday, but we're gonna go explore some of the points out here today. So check out that footage. I think you guys will enjoy it. And I'm gonna basically on Gaia, I'm gonna mark waypoints. Like yesterday, we went to one of the points and there was nothing really to see unless you hiked down. They had a little hiking trail to get down in there to see anything. So I'll mark each of these points out here. I know Crazy Jug, I've been there with Luke last time we were here, and it's beautiful. So hopefully we can see that at sunset, or we may get up early and see it at sunrise, or maybe do both. And then there's the other side of the main road. That would be the east side. So hopefully maybe tomorrow we can go explore some trails over there. Seems like up at the visitor center, people say that the east side over there is really pretty. It's one of their favorite places to camp. I think it's road 610 but we'll talk about that later when we get over there. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy the day riding around and exploring, and thanks for joining us and coming along for the adventure. All right, next stop is Parasawampus Point, Rainbow Rim Trail number 10. So I don't know if y'all can see, but there is a nice little view down there. So we're gonna go check it out.
Catch a snake.
All right, we got a snake on the trail. Lucas, you did a good job, buddy.
Yep.
Mom almost stepped on it.
I almost did.
Got to be careful out here. He's just getting some sun.
Yep.
We'll just let him slither on off.
He doesn't have a diamond head, does he?
No, I don't think he's poisonous.
No.
But we'll let him slither on and then go on by. All right, well, this trail gets a little steep down there, so we're going to head back to the truck and try the next point. So there's a rim trail that's like 38 miles that runs all the way through here, and having the two young boys, we're just gonna head back to the truck and try the next point. All right, next point is Locust Point. Hey, it's Locust, kind of like Lucas, huh? This one's got a pretty cool campsite on the way in on the left that overlooked the canyon. We're gonna drop a waypoint for that one, but yeah, let's go over here to the map. We're gonna hike down this trail and see what kind of view we can come up with. Well, I think we hit a home run with this one. This is the Locust trail, and check this out.
Oh, wow.
Hey, and there's those people. There's that campsite, right?
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, you see it? I don't know. Let's see if I can zoom in. I don't know if you guys can see that pop-up trailer right there on the edge. These views just don't stop, man. Every corner up here, every little trail leads to this.
1, 2, 3.
That's an awesome echo.
Wait.
Man, this is cool.
It looks like something.
All right, we're at North Temp Point, and you don't even have to get out here. Here's kind of the main little turnaround area, and let's go right over here. You can kind of see the views just from here. A little sneak peek in there. So let's, they got a little trail over here. Oh yeah, by far, this is the best view. North Temp Point. Just a short little walk. I mean, this is ridiculous. Wow. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. All right, we're at the last stop for the day for us at Temp Point. And let's go check out the view here. It looks like a lot more campsites, especially on the left side when you come in. And there was probably 4 or 5 roads that darted off to the left and the right, which I'm sure they go to the edge. There's probably some campsites down there as well. So this is a good one to check out. I'm sure the view down here is going to be just fine. Which one are we at?
We're staying up in here somewhere,
Okay, yeah.
so we can see this knob.
Oh yeah, we're probably actually right here because we can see that.
Yeah.
We're probably right on that. Then we've seen this one, this one, this one, this one, and now that one.
And they just keep getting better as you go down.
And higher elevation.
Yeah.
So this is the highest elevation point, and as you go this way you get lower in elevation. So cool,
All right.
Let's check it out.
Let's go.
All right, so not nearly as good as a view here at 10th. The north one is right over, just right over this way, and you literally park maybe 100 feet and you're to the viewing area. This one you got to walk down this ridge about a quarter of a mile, and then you get down here, and this is about as far. I mean, I guess you could climb down these rocks and get on down there, but you see all the trees and stuff. How you like driving?
It's a little bumpy.
Yeah, a few ruts on these cut-throughs. See here on the map, we're cutting through, and these are the roughest roads, the ones that cut across this way from the points. As you can maybe see, they're just more narrow, rougher. Got some nice little washouts, but nothing too bad. I wouldn't take a car down it, but any stock full 4x4 would do just fine.
Trying to get to the campsite is a little technical, if you will. It's a few tree downs. Looks like people haven't really been back here that often. So figured we'd show you guys a little bit of the obstacles here. So this is the path, and there we are. Probably about 4 or 5 of these little turnouts that people have had to go around. Some of them are tighter than others. It's not too bad though. And as I was saying, a couple more tight turns to get through here just makes it interesting.
So when we're looking at maps, this is how we hold stuff down. Yeah,
Cattle bones.
yeah, some cattle bones out here.
I found a use for them. Paperweights.
But that's how, yeah, paperweights. That's how we roll.
Maybe a femur.
Ham, look at that face, buddy. Hammy, you are dirty, son. Hammy, you feel dirty, buddy? Where'd you go? Look at you. You're just playing in the dirt, having just a good old time, man. That's how the boys do it. Luke, you ain't dirty as your brother.
Nope, that's because I'm sitting right here and looking at these.
You looking at those? Okay,
Yeah.
cool, man. Oh, I see why your brother's dirty. Look at him. He's down in the dirt just to go into town.
Yeah.
I love it.
Not long after we got the fire going, our friends Rob from Revere Overland, Wes from Shawnee Hills, Andreas in the awesomely loaded out Tacoma, and his buddy in the Jeep rolled in to join us for the night. This turned out to be the last night that we all stayed together, as we all went our separate ways the next day. While the kids gathered more wood to keep the fire burning, a few of us made the trek down the cliffside to get an epic view of a sunset that we'll never forget. It was at this moment it was obvious why they call this place the Rainbow Rim. As dark fell upon us, we enjoyed each other's company around the fire with s'mores to top the night off. Not long after, we called it a night dreaming about the stunning views we saw that day. The North Rim did not disappoint, and we weren't quite done receiving her gifts. Stay tuned for part 5. You won't want to miss it. And a sincere thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.